Hi, I'm Terry Kahn, and this is Hosts at Home with a side of ... What is my side that I love for Thanksgiving? Green bean casserole. I've had it ever since I was little, but I'm gonna do something a little different for you today, for all of you vegans and those wishing to get the dairy out. We are going to place the green beans into steam first. Timer, 10. Let's roll. And now we're going to make the gravy. Ooh, here's where I get to use my Kunra Khan and show you how cool this is. Look at that. Sliced mushrooms, I just buy them already sliced, wash them up, put them in. That is a lot of mushrooms. 6 garlic cloves, minced. No oil needed because the mushrooms have a lot of water in them. Next step, combine the onions and the almond milk. So I did that already. The oat flour we did earlier. This is vegetable broth. There's usually in these boxes 4 cups. I'm just going to eyeball it. Let's whisk. Look at those fresh green beans, delicious. Here's what I'm gonna put it all in. My Temptations, which I love. Come over here. Look at this. How it really is thickening up. That is from oat flour. Crispy onions are done and hopefully not too brown. Hey, that looks pretty good. So pretty. The sliced almonds on top, which will add crunch as well. It's ready. I'm gonna dive right in and take a taste. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you and yours peace and love and happiness.
It's Nancy and my husband,
Jim.
What are we gonna make today?
So growing up, I still recall going to my grandparents' house on my mom's side. I always remember the Italian wedding soup, and that's what we're gonna make today. And my little spin on it.
The first thing that we wanna do is make sure we have the chicken and the chicken stock.
Small chicken that typically will take, if the chicken is small enough, about 6 quarts of water, and we boil the chicken. And you're gonna look at maybe about an hour to boil your chicken. We then shredded the chicken, of which a good portion of it we'll use in our soup. The feature of Italian wedding soup is the mini meatballs. We put those in 350, it took about 15 minutes to cook them through, a little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, maybe half a tablespoon of olive oil along with that egg and breadcrumb mixture.
We had to do a lot of shopping because there's vegetables in this soup. What do we have, Jim?
We've got escarole, which is a key feature of an Italian wedding soup. Carrots, celery, chopped onion. When your veggies are soft, that's a good indication that you're ready to serve. You can use an orzo if you want. Some people use the mini stars. This is just the mini pastine, which are the tiny little pasta. This is a cup. Lemon juice. I like that little citrus hit that gives the soup. Got a little bit of garlic salt. I'm a fan of white pepper. I've got about a teaspoon of white pepper. This is about a tablespoon of basil.
Now I'm gonna add the chicken.
I'd go a little more chicken.
You want to?
Okay. So now we're gonna let this boil.
Oh, that looks so good. How many more minutes?
You just asked me that 2 minutes ago. How was it?
That's really good.
Our chief taste tester right here.
Happy holidays from our family to yours.
Enjoy the recipe.